Let's look at some of these small pot ornamental peppers. First of all, these plants here that are kind of on the tall side and already setting fruit are plants that I wintered over in the garage. This is a beauty here. This is one of the varieties that I'm trying to get stable. I think it's a black pearl type. And, I think it's from one that was released earlier on when it was a hybrid. I think right now it's being sold as an OP. But I've kept a few of those going. And this one right here is a daddle cross. But if we just look at some of the foliage on these peppers, these were just planted a week or so ago. But there's lots of variability in terms of flower color, foliage color, stem color, and the fruit will be quite different. I'm growing a lot of these this year. Really not sure why I'm growing so many, except, sorry, garbage truck is going by. Except the peppers are quite beautiful, and they produce lots of edible fruit. And it's just fun to play with the genetics and see what you get out of them. And so I probably have 150 different ones of those. Let's combine this with some of the other crop updates here. These are various eggplant that I'm working out of a Casper cross. I chose all these because they either had different fruit type last year or different stem colors this year. These are some different hot peppers. These two are Fatali, one given to me by a friend named Tom, and the other from my 2006 save seed. These are all sweet peppers from the Islander dehybridization project, and these are in 2-gallon grow bags, which I'm finding quite useful this year. This is a pepper called Bella that again I wintered over. This came from another garden friend, Joel. And these are various peppers, 2 to a 5-gallon pot. And I won't get into specifics, but we're just taking this tape as a marker so that we can see what these look like on June 1st. These are the different bird and chiltepin peppers. There should be a dozen. 1, 2, 3. Some of them are small. This one is one of the bird peppers. That one as well. This one's black bird's eye. But they're looking good, and I think there'll be lots to show and talk about when these mature. And let's skip the tomatoes for a minute and just blast down to the sweets and hot peppers that I'm growing in larger containers. This is fish. You can always tell because of the variegated white and green foliage. And some of these peppers, these have only been in these grow bags for a couple of weeks. And I think because the black of the grow bags absorbs the sun so well, the heat so well, they're growing very well. And the last one, first, this is a Thai type eggplant that I wintered over. And we got the other eggplant in the 5-gallon grow bags. Again, these have only been planted for a couple of weeks, and they're just looking beautiful. This is one of my own, Midnight Lightning. You can see the dusky purple, and that will be setting a fruit soon. When you grow a lot of these, you really get a sense of how different the foliage colors are, and flower colors and fruit colors. So that's what's going on with the eggplant and peppers.